Have you ever recorded something with your phone or even with a camera and had the sound come out something like this? I'm Dan, and this is what a recording from my phone sounds like with the window open and the computer running in the background. Let me show you the simplest solution for reducing or even eliminating background noise in just a few clicks without having to install any apps. The first step we'll take is going on Google and looking up Flixier. Afterwards, go to Flixier.com and click on Get Started. It shouldn't ask for an account at this point in the process. You can remove background noise from your audio with Flixier in two ways. If you're already on this screen, meaning you've opened the editor, you can start by uploading your video or audio file to Flixier. You can do that by dragging it over to this import menu or by picking any of the cloud import options available here. You can even use the mobile option to bring audio over from your mobile phone wirelessly. Just scan the QR code that comes up. After you upload your file to Flixier, it will appear in your library here. Now it's time to drag it down to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Then select your audio clip on the timeline. A menu will appear on the right side showing 4 tabs: Video, Effects, Color, and Audio. Go to the Audio tab and then scroll down to the Enhance Audio option. Here you can choose how you want to improve your audio file. Choose Reduce Background Noise from the drop-down list. Below that, you need to choose the type of recording you're trying to enhance. The more accurately you pick, the better the results will be. After choosing everything, click on the blue Enhance Audio button. In just a few moments, with the help of cloud processing, Flixier will process your audio file so that it sounds as good as possible. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can always return to the previous options and modify them by clicking on Try Another preset and then selecting other options closer to the type of audio file that you want to improve. After you're satisfied with the result, you can click the Export button where you can choose whether you want to upload your audio or video directly to one of the known social media platforms or if you want to export it as a video or audio file. In just a few moments, your project will be ready for you to download as an MP3 or MP4 file. The second method is a lot faster. Once you're on the editor screen, just click on Go Back to Projects in the top left corner to access the Flixier dashboard. Then go to the Quick Tools section from the left side here. Choose Enhance Audio and upload your file. After your file is processed, you'll see the same options that we showed you earlier in the video. This means you'll have to choose what type of video you're working on and what improvements you want to make to it. If you're not sure what to pick for the type of video, feel free to experiment with different options until you get the best result. In the end, all that's left to do is to export your project and enjoy your noise-free audio. I'm Dan, and this is what a recording from my phone sounds like with the window open and the computer running in the background. That's all for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time, happy editing!